Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel, What Joe Knows. I just wanted to provide a quick message of inspiration for 2020. You know, I know many of us had challenges dealing with friends, family, our jobs, and life can be hard in general. But just remember, 2020 is a new year, a new decade to shine, and we are truly blessed to have made it this far, no matter where you are in your journey. Just always remember, stay encouraged. And let's dwell on the positive and carry that good energy throughout 2020. You know, I understand that 2019 wasn't the best for some people, but let's put it out there that 2020 is going to be your year to grow, prosper, claim it, believe it. 2020 is takeover time. Believe it, speak it into existence, write down your goals, but not just write them down, really close your eyes and envision yourself reaching these goals. 2020, we're gonna lock in mentally, physically, spiritually, and we're gonna take over. And guess what? I'll be right there with you, so let's do this. If you found value in today's message, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell at the bottom of the screen. And as always, this is Joe with What Joe Knows. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you.